where are we?
I don't know. Excel.
Sure, it's not an airport. It looks like an airport.
It does look like it.
We're at the Excel, the business show. Got a few lectures to attend. So the first two places we've gone to have been different shows. Homes of the Future and something about energy. Digital Construction Week. Where's the business show? This is it. I'm pretty sure this is it.
To have a car warranty. This company came about because myself and Mike built up another company before, and we wanted to share the company. Didn't happen, so 4 years ago we went out to Italy and we handpicked this machine.
To go to?
Stand 11.
Use that to your advantage and maybe say, well, I can see that you need to take on my work. We haven't had some information, but I'll forgive you of that, and maybe we can set up a licensing agreement. If you want to continue to use my work, maybe you can give me a portion of the payment for it to work out really well. So the next form of IP that I'm going to talk about is registered design, which is a really straightforward form of intellectual property. If you've got products within your business and you want to protect what they look like, not what they do, not what they're made from, what they look like, you're looking at a registered design. Really straightforward, lasted for 25 years as well. Cost for a registered design is £50 online, and there's a really cost-effective
sentences that they're searching for. So I've done this with the word spa.
So 3 p.m, we're just heading back to the tuition centres as we have classes at 4. It's been quite a productive day, learned a lot and made
New
quite a few
ideas.
contacts, a lot of new ideas, a lot of things that we can improve on as a business. Really worth spending the day here. I am exhausted. There's so much to take in, but it was really worth it. Good day today.
An old duck bit the ugly duckling. Let him alone, said the mother duckling. He did not hurt you.